Right guys, so it's finally the time to head down to Mercedes and pick up my A45. It has been long 2 months since the car was pretty much broken, but today is going to be the first start. I've waited long 2 months, so let's go down, give the car a start. God, mistakes. You know what, let's go. Right, let's strap in. Let the journey begin. Guys, so as you can see, I'm in the Golf GTV, currently on the motorway, on the way to pick up the A45. And as you can see, this car is driving absolutely beautifully. So yeah, if some of you that haven't seen the progress of this car, this was an accident car that we fully repaired, and I'm just basically using it for everyday use kind of thing. So if you guys haven't seen the video, head over to the channel and watch the Golf GTD crash repair videos. Yeah, but now it's time to go pick up my baby, my A45, as I missed that car. It's been more than 2 months since I even started the car. So you know what, let's go get it. Alright guys, so we've made it down to Mercedes Cardiff Gate. I've been looking for my car in the car park, but I can't really see it. But you know what, let's head inside, get the keys, make the payment, and then we can get the car and hear that engine. So, you know, let's go in. So we're inside Mercedes AMG in Cardiff. As you can see, all these cars, those are nice little cars and stuff. A-classes, a lot of, there's no AMG cars in here today. Maybe outside, but yeah, I'll show you a couple of these cars. Look at this CLA 200 AMG line. Look at that. Look at this. That is beautiful. Have a look at this Mercedes 1.3 liter. As you can see over there, displacement is 1.3, 160 brake. Bloody hell. So how much power are they squeezing just from these small little injectors and engines? But you know, this is that car right here, A200. Beautiful. I really like this color. This color is really nice, the burgundy kind of red. Mine is a bit brighter than this. I'm really liking this color. So yeah, so this is the waiting area at Mercedes Cardiff Gate. It's done up really nicely. They've got some merchandise and stuff over here and over here. What's that? Blue pin Mercedes. Then you can see through this glass straight into the service area. So as you can see, there's quite a few cars in there currently getting some work done. And then you have the coffee machine and water and everything there for your refreshments. And then yeah, so this is it. This is Cardiff Gate. Yeah, nearly dropped my phone. So yeah, now we just go wait for the guys to come back with the card machine, all the paperwork, and then we will be on our way. Oh, look at these. That is nice. I prefer the simpler version, just straight. That one. Yeah. Oh, they are little mini models as well. Ooh. 300D 1957. The CL 6.3 1969. So yeah, and the price of this is about £18 for one of these model cars. The keyring, however, bloody hell. So the AMG keyring over there, you're looking at £82 for that one. Maybe it's because of the carbon fiber, so you've got carbon fiber there. time to wait now. We're waiting for Connor. It's the guy that's dealing with my car. Just waiting for him to come down. We're gonna make the payments and stuff. Right, so managed to get one key. Supposed to be 2 keys. Maybe wait 2 months for 1 key. Come on, Cardiff Gate, what are you doing? This is the old key that's been snapped off. So yeah, that's that one with the blade and everything inside. So this one is just the key on its own. There's no blade in it inside. So that usually gets delivered like a week, 2 weeks later. So we'll be picking that one up at some point later on. But at least we can drive the car today. So yeah, waiting for him to sort the second key out now. Make the payment for that one as well. But yeah, that is gutting. Wait 2 months for all of this. Oh well, it is what it is. And in order to see if this is, so if you look at these infrared keys on the front, you'll have, so this one has a different logo stamped over there. It's a HUF, and this one says Mercedes. Yep. So yeah, got the replacement key, and yeah, follow up with you guys when I go outside and about to start the car then. Disappointing. Phone is falling. Phone is falling. So yeah, this is the old key. Look, let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see the marks over there. Yeah, you can clearly see it. So literally I snapped it right clean off there. It's due to the lanyard. You know what? The little key part there. Physical key, if you could, let's say your battery dies and stuff, you can't get in. Then you use this physical key to get in and access. I don't know why I got the single, because there's supposed to be like 3 buttons on these ones, so you get the 2 ones, 2 buttons, and then there was one I was looking at as well. It has like a panic button here, so it has a red panic button. So if you guys know what that is for, comment below. But yeah, got the exact same ones. And this one is a lot heavier than this one. I wonder if it's because of the blade or... Oh yeah, this is the blade. This makes a huge difference. So that was a bit of a situation. So initially what happened was I ordered 2 keys. And then what happened was they gave me 1 key. And then they gave me my old key back and saying, oh, that's gonna lock the car, but it's not gonna start it. And I said, no, I've ordered 2 keys for the car. Like initially ordered 2 new keys. One is my own key, the broken one, and I've ordered 2 other keys. And it was like, no you didn't. I was like, yes I did. The conversation is recorded. Do you want me to play for you? And it's like, no, yeah, let me go get that sorted for you. A bit of a silly mistake, but you know what? Now it's time for us to look for the car. We're outside. We got the paperwork for the other key as well. And I cannot, oh my god, my car's over there. So yes, let's go and start this beauty, because I've waited 2 long months to get this bad boy started. So whew, moment of truth. Right, so there she is. Finally, look at the discs. They've even rusted up because it's been driven for so long. So drop the new key already. I need to stop doing that. So yeah, let's leave all of that there. And this is the time that I have been waiting for. Oh my god, look at that. How sexy does she look? But you know, let's see if it starts. Yes! Yes, let's. As you guys can see, I finally started the car after 2 months. Oh my god, this sounds absolutely
incredible. I missed this car. I absolutely missed every second of this car. But you know, we finally got it running. Oh, I've got an error saying auxiliary battery malfunction. We'll get all of this sorted after, but you know, I cannot tell you guys how excited I am to have this car back. So you know what, this is gonna be a fun drive home. Oh my god. So yeah, you know what, let the car warm up a bit, and then yeah, we'll just drive home. I have to put this on and take this off, but I have no clue how this is gonna... Oh, that's easy. That's easy, mate. Can't park there, mate. Right, just to put the cover on, I think it just slots in there. Like that. Woo! There we go. There she is. Right, let's see if she still pops. I hope they haven't updated the software. Yo, that's the best part in this car. Oh my god, this sounds incredible. You know what? Time to head back. Oh my god, I missed this. Everything else, that work? Oh yeah, that works. So that sounds crazy. So there she is. I still need to wait for everything to warm up properly because this car takes the piss to warm up. So yeah, currently on the motorway, M-ways. Yeah, love the ambience. Oh, my starlight! I need to switch that on. So right, we'll pull over somewhere and yeah, waiting for that to warm up first. So yeah, get that warmed up and then we'll rip it down, fam. Let's go. Managed to sort my starlights out, the car's all filled up, and time to head towards the garage. Love the sound of this car. Absolutely love the sound of this car. Beautiful. Absolutely sensational. Listen to it. That is. Yo, that sounds crazy. Shit. Too hot at the moment. So there she is, finally back. Been long 2 months. There, she's all running, and finally back. We got a lot of stuff for this one. We got like rear diffusers, body kits, and a few other really crazy stuff. So you know what? That'll be going on very, very soon. But yeah, let the car cool down slightly. And then, yeah. Right, so it has been a long day of work today. We finally finished. Brought the car back inside. And I thought before we head home, let me show you guys quickly what we are doing next to this car. So we have one of this kit that's going to be going on the car. Some of you know what that is, and if you do, comment below. And at the same time, you guys were recommending to put the facelift rear diffuser on the car. Well, guess what? You can see one back, just stay waiting. So that facelift diffuser is going to go on the car. There's side skirts, the glow kits, and there's a few other really cool stuff that's going to be happening to this one. But yeah, it's time for me to head home. I'm going to give the car a quick start. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we will see you next time.